in the heart of Connecticut's serene suburbs, where white picket fences cradle picturesque homes and echoes of laughter once filled the air, lies a story that transcends the idyllic facade. Welcome to the enigma that is the Jennifer Dulos disappearance of 2019. In this quiet enclave, a devoted mother of 5, Jennifer Dulos, found herself entangled in a web of love, betrayal, and a mysterious vanishing act. As we embark on this journey, we'll unravel the layers of a story that shook a community, captured a nation's attention, and left us questioning the boundaries of love and loss. Join us as we step into the shadows, where the echoes of a contentious divorce reverberate in a tale that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Before the headlines, before the trials, there was a time when Jennifer Dulos lived a life filled with joy and promise. Family photos paint a picture of a devoted mother, a woman navigating the complexities of life with grace. But as fate would have it, the serenity of Jennifer's suburban existence would be disrupted by the turbulent winds of a contentious divorce. The whispers of discontent grew louder, echoing through the corridors of familial bliss. In news headlines and legal documents, the unfolding drama of Jennifer's separation from her husband, Fotis Dulos, would become a matter of public scrutiny. The stage was set for a tragedy that would shock the community and baffle investigators. May 24, 2019. The clock begins ticking on a timeline that would forever alter the course of Jennifer Dulos' life. On this fateful day, she was reported missing. As investigators embarked on their quest for answers, the pages of this tragic story unfolded. June, July. The passing months revealed a tapestry of complex emotions, legal battles, and the relentless pursuit of truth. Newspaper headlines chronicled each twist and turn, leaving a community in suspense and a nation eager for resolution. As the clock ticked and the days passed, law enforcement launched a thorough investigation into the mysterious disappearance of Jennifer Dulos. Search efforts spanned across the Connecticut landscape as authorities meticulously combed through parks, neighborhoods, and wooded areas. The community, gripped by uncertainty, united in a collective effort to bring Jennifer home. Each passing day intensified the sense of urgency, turning the search for a missing woman into a relentless quest for answers. As the investigation delved deeper into the enigma of Jennifer Dulos' disappearance, the spotlight sharply focused on the man intricately woven into the narrative, Fotis Dulos. A central figure in this unfolding tragedy, Fotis' every move and uttered word became subject to intense scrutiny. The complexities of their tumultuous divorce raised eyebrows, and whispers of suspicion echoed through the courtrooms and media outlets alike. His presence in interviews, stoic and composed, added layers of intrigue to the unfolding drama. The public, drawn into the mystery, watched as law enforcement meticulously examined Fotis Dulos' actions, attempting to unravel the truth within the web of this complex family tragedy. The night of May 31, 2019, cast a shadow over the quiet suburban landscape of Farmington as authorities zeroed in on Jennifer Dulos' estranged husband, Fotis Dulos. The echoes of suspicion grew louder as law enforcement detained and initiated a series of questions, seeking answers that eluded them for days. The eyes of the public turned to the Farmington home, a residence once filled with family life, now under scrutiny in the pursuit of truth. As the evening unfolded, police engaged in discussions with Fotis Dulos and his girlfriend, Michelle Troconis, outside the very walls that concealed the secrets of the Dulos family. What was said during those tense moments? What revelations lurked beneath the surface? The community held its breath, waiting for glimpses into a narrative that continued to unravel before their eyes. Subsequently, the doors of the Farmington home swung open to investigators, marking the beginning of a meticulous hour-long search. Every room, every corner, scrutinized for clues that might illuminate the mystery shrouding Jennifer's disappearance. The walls, once silent witnesses to a family's life, now echoed with the footsteps of those on a relentless quest for answers. The intensity of the investigation reached its zenith as authorities escorted Fotis Dulos and Michelle Troconis off the Jefferson Crossing property. Their destination, State Police Troop L Barracks in Lit. It was there that Fotis Dulos willingly provided DNA and hair samples, voluntarily contributing to the mosaic of evidence that would shape the unfolding narratives. On June 3, 2019, Fotis Dulos and Michelle Troconis faced arraignment in Norwalk. Judge Stephanie McLaughlin set their bonds at $500,000 each. Troconi, who posted bond, was released that afternoon. Fotis Dulos was transported to Bridgeport Correctional Facility. The arrest warrants detailed shocking evidence. Security footage captured them in a black Ford F-150 Raptor, making stops along Albany Avenue, discarding trash bags containing Jennifer Dulos' blood. The vehicle traced back to Fotis Dulos, and their phones placed them in Hartford during the incidents. A video showed Dulos inserting an item into a storm drain, leading to the discovery of a FedEx box with altered license plates. Arrest warrants confirmed blood evidence and signs of cleanup in Jennifer Dulos' garage. Among seized items were a blood-stained Vineyard Vines shirt and a bag containing clothing with Jennifer Dulos' blood. The day after arraignment, Gloria Farber, Jennifer Dulos' mother, filed a motion seeking temporary custody of their 5 kids, whom she had been caring for since Jennifer Dulos' disappearance on May 24, 2019. After 10 days in custody, Fotis Dulos returned home on June 11, 2019, posting $35,150 in bond. Alongside Michelle Troconis, he pleaded not guilty to tampering and hindering prosecution charges. State's Attorney Richard Colangelo failed to increase Dulos' bond, revealing new evidence of Dulos' DNA mixed with Jennifer Dulos' blood in her New Canaan home. Dulos' attorney Norm Pattis acknowledged authorities' belief in Jennifer's death, but stated Dulos would face trial. On the same day, using his Fifth Amendment right, Fotis Dulos refused to testify in family court, where Jennifer Dulos' mother sought custody of their 5 children. Fotis Dulos faced evidence tampering charges tied to cleaning a truck with Jennifer Dulos' DNA. Michelle Troconi acknowledged the cleaning, hinting at Jennifer's presence. Arrested on September 4, 2019, Fotis Dulos posted $500,000 bond. The warrant hinted at Fotis Dulos lying in wait during Jennifer's May 24, 2019 disappearance. Jennifer's Chevy Suburban and evidence were taken to Lapham Road. Video linked Fotis Dulos' employee's red truck to the abandoned SUV. The red truck, accessed by Fotis Dulos, was seen entering his property. The employee, cleared of suspicion, found Fotis Dulos and Troconis cleaning. Alibi scripts by Fotis Dulos and Troconis were debunked, exposing false alibis. Police allege Fotis Dulos bound Jennifer Dulos with zip ties, placed her in her car, and cleaned the garage as per an arrest warrant. Michelle Troconis faced conspiracy to commit murder charges, and Kent Mahwini, a friend of Fotis Dulos, was also charged with conspiracy to commit murder. Both pleaded not guilty. Fotis Dulos, 52, died by apparent suicide at his Farmington home on Jan 30, 2020. He was found unresponsive in a vehicle during a welfare check on Jan 28, 2020. Despite life-saving efforts, he succumbed to carbon monoxide poisoning at Jacobi Medical Center in New York. A note proclaiming his innocence in his estranged wife's death and disappearance was discovered at his home on Jan 29, 2020. Jennifer Dulos was officially declared dead by a probate judge who cited overwhelming evidence supporting the claim that she had sustained non-survivable injuries. The declaration followed a petition filed by her mother, Gloria Farber, in August 2023. According to Connecticut law, individuals missing for 7 or more years are presumed dead, although Farber acknowledged the impact on her daughter's estate. After nearly 5 years of anticipation, the trial for Michelle Troconis is set to commence on January 11, 2024. Troconis, aged 49, is implicated in the death and disappearance of Jennifer Dulos, a New Canaan mother of 5 who went missing in May 2019. Formerly involved with Fotis Dulos, who died by suicide in January 2020 while facing charges related to his estranged wife's disappearance. Troconis has pleaded not guilty to charges including conspiracy to commit murder, tampering with evidence, and hindering prosecution.